This morning we begin a three-part series on the effects of COVID on our children. BNC's Christina Maddela introduces us to a family in Chicago that was hard hit by the pandemic. Christina says that COVID has taken an emotional toll on her family.
More than 700,000 Americans have died from coronavirus, a virus that left tens of thousands of children without a parent. Researchers show black children are disproportionately impacted, comprising 14% of children in the U.S., but 20% of those losing a parent to COVID-19. Dr. Sandra McGowan-Watt started her own private practice in 2019.
I had just finally started building my practice up, and then 2020, the pandemic hits.
Born and raised in Chicago, she opened up shop in the suburbs. Her husband, Steve, took time off his work as a bus driver to help.
I was the doctor, but it was still our business.
A true partner.
A true partner.
Like the rest of us, they didn't know what was coming.
Even when we go back to January and February, when we saw what COVID was doing in China, I never imagined that it would hit the United States. And it would hit the United States in the way it did, and that our lives would change. My husband and I would always talk about it. I can't wait till we can go back and sit in a restaurant.
So I didn't really know, I knew of it, but I didn't know, what was gonna happen.
Steve turned their daughter Justice's bedroom into her classroom.
It was easy for me because I'm good at concentrating and focusing on things.
The end of March 2020. Steve's mother got sick.
She kept telling me, I'm okay, it's just my asthma.
But Dr. McGowan wanted to make sure. She and Steve went to check on her.
And I guess we were being naive, nobody wearing a mask. At the time, this was before mask mandates were out. So I made her take a breathing treatment. I believe she was doing better, so we left.
It got worse, so Steve went back to check on his mom.
And then, a few days later, he went over there to take her to the hospital.
And what were you thinking and feeling during that?
Scared.
About an hour later, I get a phone call from her doctor. And she tested positive for the COVID virus.
April 2020. Sandra, Steve, and Justice quarantined.
Later that Friday night, my husband started saying he didn't feel good, like his body ached. But then that Monday, it just started spiraling down.
Easter Sunday, 2020. Steve looked at his daughter.
And he looked at them, he was like, I'm gonna be okay. I'll be back home. And I took him to the hospital. His nurse calls me from his cell phone and was like, Sandra, they're gonna have to intubate your husband.
Sandra told Steve on the phone,
I love you, I'm gonna be okay. And then an hour later, the doctor called and was like, he's the youngest, sickest patient I've had. He said he had tears in his eyes as he was gasping for air. I have an 11-year-old at home. You gotta do whatever you gotta do to bring him back home to his 11-year-old daughter. He said, thank you for telling me that.
I was just scared, I didn't know what was gonna happen.
May 2020. Steve and his mother died 7 days apart.
The saddest part for me was knowing that he died and nobody was there.
Suddenly, Justice's grandmother was gone.
When I'm sad, I might cook. I remember the things my grandma would have did, she also liked to cook.
Justice's father was gone.
Just the different things that my dad would do that he doesn't do now.
He was her person. When she got out of school, he was the one who got her off the school bus. They had a routine.
It's hard sometimes. I love him.
Dr. McGowan is now an outspoken advocate for mental health resources, including therapy. Before school started, Justice went to a camp for other children who had lost a parent so she could talk about her grief. Tomorrow, right here on BNC, part 2 of our series, COVID in Children. We'll explore health disparities and vaccine hesitancy in communities of color. I'm correspondent Maddela for BNC.